Hi everyone, I'm Chef Jen Gomez. I'm a professional chef for over 20 years, and I want to share with you the easiest, most efficient ways to cut an avocado. So you want to take your avocado in your hand, start at the stem end, get the tip of your knife, make a little cut down to the seed in the middle, and then just rotate the avocado in your hand. Then from there, take it in your hand, give it a gentle twist, and look at that beautiful avocado inside. So then just take the tip of your knife only and just make some cuts inside. We're gonna make a small dice. This is perfect for preparing guacamole or on salads. Turn it the other way, and you're just going down to the skin. So the tip of the knife is just scraping the skin. It's not going through. The other half has the seed. This can be problematic if you're not used to it. Grab a kitchen towel, put it between your hand and the avocado, and then you won't cut yourself. Take your knife in one hand, give it a sharp whack into the middle of the seed and a twist, and it comes right out. Then just take that out. Take a spoon and just go around like that, and it comes right out. Then you have little diced pieces. Okay, so that's a dice. The next one I want to show you is how to make slices. Start it the same way. Tip goes in, down to the seed, and you're gonna rotate around. All the way around. Then you're gonna give it a quarter turn. So my first cut is this way. I'm gonna make a cut going the other way. So I'm gonna make 4 sections. And just rotate it around. Put it in your hand, give it a gentle twist. Look at that, beautiful. And this time you have 4 sections with the seed only in one of them. So you can just pop that right out. Then from here, the peel just comes right off. Beautiful. Then just take the tip of your knife again and just make little slices like that. So on top of being delicious, avocados are super healthy for you. Studies have shown they can lower your risk of heart disease, and they have more potassium than a banana. Now it's your turn. Go home, slice some avocados, and enjoy adding this delicious fruit to your repertoire.